Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super common question. How do I switch between channels on YouTube TV in 2025? If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things streaming, and this quick tutorial will have you flipping channels like a pro in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, YouTube TV has evolved a lot by 2025, with even smoother interfaces and smart features to make channel switching a breeze. The easiest way to start is by opening the YouTube TV app on your smart TV, streaming device, or mobile phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen loaded with your favorite content. To switch channels, head to the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. That's your gateway to Live TV. Here, you'll find the Live Guide, which is basically a grid of all available channels. Use your remote's arrow keys or swipe on your phone to navigate through the list. For example, if you're watching CNN and want to jump to ESPN, just highlight the channel and press select. It's that straightforward. But wait, there's more. In 2025, YouTube TV has integrated voice commands powered by advanced AI. Just say, "Hey Google, switch to channel name," if you're on a compatible device, and boom, it happens instantly. This is perfect for hands-free viewing, especially if you're multitasking. If you're dealing with a slower connection or want to favorite channels for quicker access, go to the Settings menu in the app. There, you can customize your channel lineup so your most watched ones appear first. Pro tip: if you run into any glitches, like the guide not loading, try restarting the app or checking your internet speed. It's often a quick fix. And remember, YouTube TV's multi-view feature lets you watch up to 4 channels at once, which is great for sports fans. To enable that, just select the multi-view option from the Live Guide. There you have it. Switching channels on YouTube TV is easier than ever in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.